morning boys and girls. Today I will be teaching you all about animal husbandry. Under animal husbandry we will be dealing with dairy cattle management, poultry production, goatery and piggery. So what is the definition of animal husbandry? So as you can see here, animal husbandry may be defined as a science as well as an art of management, which includes scientific rearing, feeding, housing and health care of domestic animals aiming for maximum return. So यो डेफिनेसनले के बुझ्छ भने हामीले कसरी हामीले डेरी क्याटल जस्तो काउज बफलोज भयो, पोल्ट्री भयो, पिग्स भयो, गोट्स भयो, तिनीहरूलाई हामीले कसरी साइन्टिफिक वेमा राखेर, साइन्टिफिक हाउसिङमा राखेर, साइन्टिफिकली फिडिङ गरेर, साइन्टिफिकली तिनीहरूलाई म्यानेज गरेर र तिनीहरूको हेल्थ केयरलाई हामीले इम्पोर्टेन्स दिएर भ्याक्सिनेसन गरेर तिनीहरूबाट कसरी हामीले प्रोडक्सन बढाउन सक्छौं, त्यसको स्टडीलाई चाहिँ हामीले एनिमल हस्बेन्ड्री भन्छ. नाउ what are the aims and objectives of animal husbandry? So the first aim of animal husbandry would be livelihood. As you all know, India is basically primarily agricultural based country ho hamro. Maximum number of people, their profession is related to agriculture, and agriculture and animal husbandry go side by side, hand in hand. Okay, agriculture पनि गरिरहेको छ मान्छेले र सँगसँगै उहाँहरूले एनिमल्स पनि पालिरहनु भएको छ है. So that increases their income. So as a source of income, as a source of livelihood, animal husbandry is very important. Now through animal husbandry कसरी हामीले इन्कम जेनेरेट गर्छ? इन्कम जेनेरेसन हुन्छ थ्रु मिल्क, meat, eggs, wool, manure and power. So animal husbandry गर्दा हामीले milk production, so milk बेचेर people can earn money. After slaughtering animals, the meat is used for consumption, so that is one way of earning. Through eggs, poultry ko eggs butter, there is a huge source of income. Similarly, wool from sheep, that brings in lot of money. And then manure. Now manure is very important. So agriculture and animal husbandry सँगसँगै किन जान्छ भने the manure produced from the animals is used for agricultural purposes. So that is why the two, agriculture and animal husbandry, are interlinked. And power in the villages. So bullocks, as you know, are used for ploughing the fields and they are used for many other work purposes. Okay. The second aim and objective I would say is source of protein. Source of protein. So जसो जसो population बढ्दै गयो कन्ट्रीमा त्यसरी नै प्रोटिनको रिक्वायरमेन्ट हामीलाई it was required. So प्रोटिनको सोर्स एउटा त प्लान्ट प्रोटिन, अर्को चाहिँ एनिमल प्रोटिन. So प्लान्ट प्रोटिनले नपुग्दा चाहिँ एनिमल प्रोटिन सोर्सको पनि एकदमै ग्रेटर डिमान्ड भयो. So as a source of animal protein, animal husbandry को इम्पोर्टेन्स आउँछ. Now if you see, because of animal husbandry, now our country ranks first in milk production, it is third in egg production, and it is the sixth largest poultry meat producer in the world. Okay, so first in milk production, third in egg production, and the sixth largest poultry meat production. So this is where our country is at the moment with regards to animal husbandry. Now, with relation to dairy cattle management, we will be studying about cows and buffaloes. Okay, so dairy cattle management. So we first move on to zoological classification. Okay, so I will explain you this first. So the phylum is Chordata. Chordata means having a backbone. Any animal having a backbone is known as Chordata. Okay, and the class is Mammalia. Mammalia means milk giving animals. Then comes order. Order is Artiodactyla. That means hoofed animals. Hoofed बनेको खुर भएको animals हरु. Then comes the suborder, that is Ruminatia. Ruminatia means cud chewing. उग्राउनु जुन चाहिँ भन्छ गाई बस्तुले जुन चाहिँ उग्राउँछ त्यो उग्राउनलाई चाहिँ cud chewing भन्छ. Okay. And then comes the family. Family is Bovidae. Bovidae meaning hollow horned animals. Then comes genus, that is Bos, and then comes the species. Species ma there are three species. One is Bos indicus, then comes the Bos taurus, and then Bos bubalis. Bos indicus भनेको humped cattle, Bos taurus is without hump, and Bos bubalis is buffaloes. Okay, so this is what you need to remember. Dolly zoological classification is not very important for you all, but you should remember the genus and the species. Okay, so Bos is the genus and species is Bos indicus, Bos taurus and Bos bubalis. Bos indicus means humped cattle. Humped भनेको एउटा प्रोट्रुरेन्स नेक रिजन को ठिक्कै मुनि एउटा हम्प्ड एउटा उठेको पोर्सन हुन्छ गाई बस्तुमा, जस्तो यो हेड भयो, यो ढाड सुरु हुने बित्तिकै एउटा हम्प हुन्छ. सो दिस इज नोन एज हम्प. ओके, सो हम्प्ड क्याटल एन्ड बस टाउरस इज विदाउट हम्प एन्ड बस ब्युबलिस मीन्स बफलोज. नाउ वी कम to the breeds. Now what is breed? So breed, it may be defined as animals related by descent. Similar in most characteristics, characters such as body conformation, physical appearance, size, etc. So, here you can mention a group of animals. Okay, so breed may be defined as a group of animals who are related by descent. उनीहरूको आमाको आमा बाउको बाउ प्यारेन्ट एउटा हिस्ट्री उनीहरू एउटै लाइनबाट आएको हुनु पर्यो एन्ड ह्याभिङ सिमिलर क्यारेक्टरिस्टिक्स बडी साइज फिजिकल एपिरियन्स हेर्दा सिमिलर हुनु पर्यो त्यस्तोलाई चाहिँ हामीले एउटा ब्रिड भन्छ या जाति भन्न सकिन्छ है. नाउ क्याटल ब्रिड्सको नामहरू म भन्छु. How they are defined, how they are classified. In India, there are 26 well recognized cattle breeds, well recognized breeds of cattle. And 6 breeds of buffalo. Okay, so there are 26 well recognized breeds of cattle and 6 well recognized buffalo breeds in India, and the cattle breeds are classified as follows. So, now we come to the cattle breeds in India. We have over 26 well defined breeds of cattle in India and 6 breeds of buffaloes. Now, we classify the classification of cattle breeds. They are classified into 3 groups. One is the milch breed, the other one is dual purpose breeds, and the other one is drought purpose breeds. So, under milch breeds, some of the important breeds, name of the breeds I would be mentioning out here. So, the first one is Sahiwal. Origin is Pakistan. Earlier in the undivided India, it used to fall in the Sahiwal district. So, basically origin at present you could say it as Pakistan, and the milk yield is around 2500 litre per lactation. Then the second one is Red Sindhi. Origin is Sindh province or Bikaner in Rajasthan, and the milk production is around 1800 litre per lactation. And the third milch breed is Gir, origin for which is Gujarat, and the production is similar to Red Sindhi, around 1800 litre per lactation. Now we come to the dual purpose breed. Okay, here I would like to mention milch breed भन्दा के बुझ्छ भने बेसी मात्रामा उहाँहरूले मिल्क दिन्छ र उनीहरूको मेल जुन चाहिँ बुलक हुन्छ तिनीहरूले अलिअलि काम गर्छ, भक्कु काम गर्दैन. डुअल पर्पस ब्रिड भनेको चाहिँ मिल्क पनि दिन्छ र उनीहरूको मेल जुन चाहिँ बुलक हुन्छ दे आर युज्ड फर भेरियस वर्क्स एज अ सोर्स अफ पावर. ओके, सो डुअल पर्पस ब्रिडमा अन्डर डुअल पर्पस ब्रिड वी हेभ हरियाणा, ओंगोल एन्ड थारपारकर. Haryana, as the name suggests, origin is Haryana and the milk yield is around 800 litre per lactation. Then comes the breed Ongol. Ongol ko origin is Andhra Pradesh and the milk yield is around 1500 litre per lactation. And then comes Tharparkar. Tharparkar origin is again Andhra Pradesh and the milk yield is around 400 litre per lactation. Then we have the drought breed. Drought breed bhanekole ke bujincha bhane the males are very good for work purpose, and the names of these breeds are, some of the names are Amrit Mahal, Siri and Malvi. Amrit Mahal breed originated from Mysore and it gives, they are as you see they are poor yielders, they give only around 3 to 5 liters of milk. Then you have Siri. Siri ko origin is our place, Darjeeling hills, Sikkim and parts of Bhutan. Milk yield is again very less, 3 to 5 liters, and the other one is Malvi, jisko origin is Madhya Pradesh and parts of Rajasthan. They are again poor yielders. Now I would like to mention some of names of some of the foreign breeds, and now I would like to name few foreign breeds which are used in India also for breeding purposes. They are, the first one which all of us know, and it is a very common name, that is Jersey breed of cattle. So, the origin is island of Jersey and यसको milk yield is around 4000 liter per lactation. The second very common breed is Holstein Friesian. As the name suggests, Holstein, its origin is Holland and the milk yield is around 6150 liter per lactation. The third one is Ayrshire, origin is Scotland and the milk yield is around 4850 liters per lactation. And the last one is Brown Swiss, and as again the name suggests, origin is Switzerland and the milk yield is around 5250 liter per lactation. So, per lactation भनेको के बुझिन्छ भने गाईले जब दुध दिन थाल्छ र त्यो पछि भर्ती हुन्छ, त्यो पछि फेरि उलाई कन्सिभ भइसकेपछि फेरि जब उसले ब्याउँछ र फेरि दुध दिन थाल्छ, त्यो फर्स्ट दुध दिन सुरु भएको र बन्द गरेको पिरियड, दुध दुनो जब हामीले छोड्छ त्यो पिरियडलाई चाहिँ एउटा ल्याक्टेसन पिरियड भन्छ, विच इज अराउन्ड 300 days. So, in 300 days they produce roughly this amount of milk. Now, we come to the buffalo breeds, name of some of the buffalo breeds. So, these are some of the names of buffalo breeds which are commonly available in India. The first one which is very common, it is known as Murrah, origin is Punjab and it gives around 2000 liter per lactation. The second one is Jafrabadi, which origin for which is Gujarat and the milk production is around 2300 liter per lactation. Then you have the Nili Ravi, origin at the moment is in Pakistan, it is 1600 liter per lactation. Then comes Mehsana, which is also a very important buffalo breed, origin for which is Gujarat and the milk production is around 1800 liters per lactation. And then there is Nagpuri, as the name suggests, origin is Nagpur and the milk production is around 1000 liter per lactation. That is all for today. Thank you.